Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Marriott, and boy, it was a hot one yesterday, at least for Puget Sound. We had a lot of sunshine like we have today. Temperatures are going to drop off about 3 to 5 degrees. We had 87 degrees out at SEA, and down at the Olympia Airport, we had 90 degrees yesterday. So a little hot for people that live in Western Washington, but the cooling today is going to help a little bit more, and we're going to see some more cooling as we get a little bit farther into the week. Beautiful day there in Bellingham, but not too far from Bellingham. Going over to Port Andros, you can see that marine air starting to sneak inland. We saw that push in through the Strait of Juan de Fuca and around south down into southwestern Washington during the day. Mostly through Puget Sound, plenty of sunshine around. A gorgeous start this Tuesday, and it does look like we're going to have a pretty good stretch of weather headed away, though we are going to cool back to more normal temperatures, which is roughly mid to upper 70s most spots. A good looking day there, looking out from the Tacoma Tower Camp towards Mount Rainier. And out at Westport, you can see that marine deck definitely in place. In fact, they probably only see a little bit of late day clearing out there along the coast, and they're going to struggle to get up to around 60 degrees this afternoon. Take a look at our 7-day first alert forecast. You can see things looking pretty good. We do cool off. In fact, we cool down into the upper 60s and low 70s Thursday. That's our coolest day. But then we start to warm back up again as we head towards the 4th of July, and that holiday weekend looking pretty nice at this point. Take a look at the satellite image this morning. Very clear what's going on. Basically in the visible range, you can see the low clouds off the coast and pushing in and filling in the river valleys up and down the Olympic Peninsula there and pushing inland almost to Puget Sound, but not quite today. Tomorrow we'll make that push in there, and that's going to bring us back down to our more normal temperatures as we head towards the middle part of the week, and then we'll probably bottom out, like I said, on Thursday when rebound in time for the holiday weekend. In case you happen to have today off, beautiful day up in the mountains, Hurricane Ridge there in the Olympics. You can see lots of blue sky, and similarly there, a lot of people are already up at Mount Rainier at Paradise enjoying the sunshine and getting ready to hit the trail, it looks like. Looking at our forecast, if you're going to be going hiking today, looking pretty good. We're going to be looking for sunny skies, high temperatures at the highway pass levels 3,000 to 4,000 feet, looking to be close to 80 degrees this afternoon. So good chance to get out and enjoy that sunshine and really enjoy being out there on the trails, which are increasingly snow-free, which is kind of nice. Take a look at what's going on weather-wise. We do have that ridge of high pressure that's been protecting us. That's sliding off to the east of us over the course of the next couple of days. And as we head towards Thursday, this little weak system is going to brush by probably in the wee small hours of Thursday. Not much to it, but it is going to give us our strongest push of marine air for the week. And we are going to get a little bit of convergence, and with that we will see maybe a little bit of sprinkles going on, or some very light showers in the wee small hours of Thursday as this little system kind of moves through and then dissipates up into British Columbia. And then as it continues to move on to the east, we're going to be looking for that to dissipate and go away and develop a new high pressure that's going to be building in us as we head towards the weekend and into the first part of next week. That's going to put us back into a fairly hot pattern, it looks like, as we head towards early to mid next week. So it's going to be a little bit of change going on there, but the main question is for the 4th of July, what we're expecting for that. That forecast looks really good. In fact, it's going to be comfortably warm that day. If you're heading off around noontime, you get a good spot. Some of the public fireworks displays for the 4th of July evening should be already into the mid to upper 60s. Pretty nice afternoon to be outside in the sun and enjoy the outdoors. The temperatures peaking out in the mid 70s around Puget Sound for the 4th of July. And then finally, as we get on towards 9 to 10 o'clock, get ready for those fireworks displays, most of which happen after about 10 o'clock. We should see those temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 60s. So pretty nice overall. So for today, we're going to be sunny, a little cooler, upper 70s, low to mid 80s. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking for those temperatures to get down into our normal range, mid to upper 70s. We'll bottom out on Thursday, maybe that chance of a few sprinkles in the convergence zone in the wee small hours of Thursday, and then partly sunny. Back to sunshine for the 4th of July on through the holiday weekend, though gradually warming as we head into next week. But over the holiday weekend, those highs stay mostly in the mid to upper 70s. Doesn't get much better than that.